Hello friends, we are studying Science and Technology Part 1 for Standard 10, Chapter number 2, Periodic Classification of Elements. In last lecture, we have discussed about the structure of modern periodic table. Okay, this modern periodic table is given by the scientist Henry Moseley. Okay, so according to this modern periodic table, there are 4 blocks of this periodic table. That 4 blocks are S block, P block, D block and F block. Okay, in this S block represents the elements from first and second group. P block represents the elements from group number 13 to group number 18. Okay, then D block elements represents all the transition elements. Okay, and F block elements represents the inner transition elements. Okay, now blocks, these 4 blocks we are going to study in details. So block in modern periodic table. Okay, blocks in modern periodic table. Position, that is group number, then nature, number of incomplete shells and name of elements. Now S block elements. Okay, first we study S block elements. S block elements are present in group number first and second. Okay, what is the nature of these elements which are present in S block? That is group number 1 and 2. All these elements are metals, and the number of incomplete shells, these elements have 1. Okay, so these elements have only one incomplete shell in their outermost, means their outermost only one shell is incompletely filled. Okay, and name of elements, which are these elements whose last one shell is incompletely filled? That are the elements group number first, that are called as alkali metals, and group number second are called as alkaline earth metals. Students, this is important, keep in mind. That is, S block elements are the elements from group first and second. All these are metals. They have incompletely filled last only one orbit, and group number first are the elements which are alkali metals, and group second are the elements which are alkaline earth metals, and all these elements are normal elements. Okay, all these elements are called as normal elements. Now let us see P block elements. Group number 13 to 18. The elements from group number 13 to 18 all are P block elements. All these elements are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Means some of the elements are metal, some of the elements are non-metals, and the remaining some of the metals are metalloids. Okay, and they also have last only one incompletely filled orbit or shell. Okay, so these P block elements consisting group number 17. Group number 17 have all halogens. All halogens are present in group number 17, and group number 18 constitutes noble gas elements, that is noble elements. Okay, all these elements are also called as normal elements. Now group number D. Okay, so sorry, block D. Okay, D block, that is the elements from group number 3 to 12. Okay, all are called as D block elements. All these elements are metals, and they have two outermost shells incompletely filled. Okay, outer two shells are incompletely filled, and these elements are called as transition elements. Their compounds are colored multivalent. Okay, the compounds of transition elements are colored and multivalent. Okay, now F block elements. These F block elements are present at the bottom of the modern periodic table. They are called as lanthanide and actinide series. All these are metals. Their outermost three shells are incompletely filled, and they are also known as inner transition elements. Okay, so students, this is very important, that blocks in modern periodic table, how many blocks? There are 4 blocks. Okay, and what is their nature, how many incomplete shells they constitute, and name of the elements, means which group consist which blocks, means which blocks which groups are comes under which blocks, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, now elements in same group show same properties. All the elements from group 1 are alkali metals. Group 2 contains all alkaline earth metals. Group 17 are halogens, means all halogen elements are present in the group 17. Okay, then inert gases are present in group number 18. Okay, here there is a sketch of modern periodic table, and in this sketch it is shown these different groups are shown in the periodic table. You may have question in the exam like this also. Make a sketch of modern periodic table and represent group number 1, 2, 17 and 18. Or the question will be like this also. Draw a sketch of modern periodic table and shows the different elements, that are alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens and inert gases. So then you have to draw the sketch like this, and here you have to show that alkaline earth metals, halogens, that is 17 group, and in 18 group inert gases. Okay, group number 1 alkali metals, group number 2 alkaline earth metals, 17 halogens and 18 inert gases. Okay, types of elements in modern periodic table. Now in the modern periodic table given by Henry Moseley, how many elements, means what are the different types of the elements. Okay, so in that group number 1, that are alkali metals, group 2 alkaline earth metals, group 17 halogens, group 18 inert gases, group 3 to 12 transition elements, and at the bottom that is lanthanide and actinide, that are inner transition elements. Now you have to solve one of the activity. Write the difference between S block elements and P block elements. Second, S block elements and D block elements. Third, P block elements and D block elements. Fourth, P block elements and F block elements. Next question, define transition elements, inner transition elements and inert gas elements. Next question, give reason. Okay, it is not reason, by mistaken it has written. Now here give reason 18th group elements are called as noble gas elements. You have to write reason for the question. Okay, so in this way we have studied, today we have studied about the different 4 blocks in the modern periodic table and their properties, means which group constitutes in which block and what type of elements they are called as. Okay, so for today this is enough. So thank you students.